Okay, this is my Space Invader game. This is the behavior of this game, and to make it, the first one we have to make a domain analysis, which divided by the first is sketch program. And then from this sketch we can identify the constant information and also the changing information, which part is moving, and then we put it into next for the data definition. And then the last one is identifying the Big Bang option. After finish the domain analysis, then we put all the data like a constant here, and then this is the data definition. So we make the structure data for invaders, missile, tank, and then score also, and then we break it down to smaller pieces like the tank here, and then invader, and then list of invader and missile, list of missile, and then the last one is the score. After data definition, then we go to input the main function here. So this is the wishlist function here. Untick how the game moving. To draw is to render the image of the game, and then stop when the invader reaches the bottom of the screen, and then the key is how we control the game. And for this is onTick function, and there is many tests for here, and it's list with the right direction. And then for this game data definition, then also the score must be added after two invader got hit. And this is the function composition for this game. So many function is because we need to break it down into the smaller function. Right, and this the render function. This also break it down into the smaller function. And this is the onKey function to control the tank movement and also to fire the missile. And the last one is the stop when function. So we make some function when the game stop. Alright, so we try to run the program and check. Okay, all 99 tests pass. Okay, that's my game. It looks like works, but I think not so perfect. But you can find my source code in the description below if you want to play around and make this game improve. Thank you for watching, and bye bye.